Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another wig review. Yes. Today I am showing you another Janet Collection wig. This one is called Ella. Now this wig is also a sister wig to Gabriella, which is a really popular Janet Collection wig. So yeah, today we've got Ella in a jet black color, color 1. This is also an extended deep part wig, and it's a side part, which I love. It goes all the way to like there in the middle of my head. So yeah, this one is short. It's kind of like a wavy curly texture. It's very easy for me to run my hands through it. I've had a little bit of snagging. As we all know, these are synthetic wigs, so we can expect that, but no like tangles. In terms of shedding, what does my floor look like? I've got a few strands, but definitely not as much as some of the other wigs that I've tried. Now, something I haven't been talking about in the other previous videos is the size of the cap and if it's big head friendly. I don't know, I feel like I have an average to big-ish size head because when I make my wigs, like the dome cap, I think is what it's called, it's not big enough to fit on my head properly. So I usually have to use the spandex caps, which has more room. So I feel like I've got a medium to big head. So for me, the size of this cap, it fits my head, but it doesn't come down as much as I would like it to be for me to feel super comfortable with it. And also it has no combs whatsoever. So there are no combs in the front and there's nothing in the back. I would have liked something in the back because if anything, I don't mind securing a comb in the back. Definitely not the front because I'm not trying to pull out any hair or edges at the front. So yeah, no combs. It's average cap. If you've got a bigger head, I feel like maybe it might fit a little small on your head. In regards to the other wigs, Super Moon was a pretty good fit. I feel like that was a good cap size and it had a good stretch to it, so I would say that that would work for a bigger head. What else? The Bailey, that was the straight bob. Yeah, also that cap was fine, same as the Super Moon. And also those wigs had lace across the front, so I had to cut the lace and then it had the extended D part, whereas this wig here and Juliana, which is the sister wig to this one as well, the really long wavy one, it only has the lace where the parting is. However, the Juliana wig, the cap I feel was pretty good. It fit me well. When I put it on, I could definitely secure the straps at the back to make it a bit tighter. So I would say that's big head friendly. But yeah, this one's not as big as that one. And then Letty, that one I feel like is, you know, average to big head friendly as well. And obviously the Rainmaker one was a half wig, so that doesn't count. But yeah, they're the cap sizes so far for the wigs that I've shown you. Like I said, this one only has the lace in the parting area, same as Juliana and same as Letty. Now between the two, I don't mind having just lace here because I don't have to worry about, you know, the rest of the hairline. Not that I'm doing the edges of the lace of the ones with the lace across the front, but my only issue with this type is it's very hard around the parting area, and it can get a little irritating because I don't know how they made it. I guess they got to put, I don't know if it's more tracks or they reinforce around the lace, so yeah, it's not soft. Yeah, that's the only thing. So when you feel it, you can definitely kind of feel like the bumps around the parting area, whereas the ones that have the lace across the front, you don't, it's like very smooth and seamless. But I mean, no one can see it, so it's not a big deal. Also, the way the lace sits on your forehead or on your hairline, with the ones that are just the lace in the middle here, it's a little, you got to do a little bit of blending. Like you got to kind of pull the hair out a little bit and make sure it's all laying very like nicely. They kind of put these little hairs around the parting area. I guess you can slick those down to create kind of like a baby hair thing, but I did that with one of the wigs and it just created unnecessary buildup, and I don't know, I didn't like how it looks, so I'm not doing that with this wig. Okay guys, so I think that's it for my thoughts on this wig. Honestly, I am loving these synthetic wigs. I actually have put all my virgin hair wigs away in a box, and I'm just keeping them aside for now. And I've just been rotating between all my synthetic wigs because I'm loving it. I love that I can switch up the look and it's effortless. I literally am just putting on the wigs, sometimes brushing it, sometimes not, just running my fingers through, and I'm out the door. So I'm loving these. I hope you are enjoying this series as well. I've got plenty more wigs to show you because I've been going a little crazy with the purchasing of the wigs, but I'm just like building a collection of all different types of, you know, different wigs, synthetic wigs that is, different patterns, lengths, some color, you know, and I can just be a different person every day. I'm loving it, guys. So yeah, I'll leave all the links down below. So let's just move on to me applying the wig once again so you can see how easy it was. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So yeah, guys, keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.